Find LCM by prime factorization method. Simple. First you have to 12 you have to write. 2 6 2 3 2 3 Next 15 again you have to write. That is equal to 3 5 15. So 12 you have to write. 2 into 3. 15 you have to write. 3 into 5. So in this which is common? 3 is the common. If common number have to take one time. So LCM, how we have to find a LCM by prime factorizations? First you have to take 1 3. Okay. Next again you have to take different 2 2's extras. 2 and 2. Next 5. First you have to take which is common, one only. Then after which are not common, then you have to select. That is equal to 3 2 6, 6 2 12, 12 5 60. Therefore LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. Okay. This is for prime factorization method. Next again one problem by using of prime factorization method. Simple. So 48, 56 and 72. 72. How we have to do? Just you have to write 48. 2 2 2 4 2 12 okay. 2 6 2 3 Next 56. 56 you have to write 2 2 2 4 2 8 16 2 1 2 14 2 7. So whenever prime number get you have to stop there only. Here also 3 is prime number, that's why I am stop here. Next 72. 2 36 2 18 2 9 3 3 is a prime number, that's enough. Now I have to write, you have to all. 48 how am I writing here? 48 is equal to 2 into 3 into 2 into 4 into 3. Okay. Next 2 I am writing. 56. 56 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Okay. Right. 72. 72 how I am writing means, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. So in this which are common, first you have to select 1 2 3 1 2 3 1. Here these are common. Have take only one time. Okay. That is equal to next. LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 over. Next again you have to take these over. In this you have only have to select only 1 3 into 3. Next again you have to take again 3 7 into 2. Here 1 2 is extra, 1 7 extra. Here 1 3 is over only 3. Now you have to select. LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. Again I am writing here 1 2. Next 3 into 3 into 7. Simple thing. So 2 2 4 4 2 8 16 into 9 into 7. 16 into 63. 9 7 is 63. Now 63 into 16. 16 3 is 48. 16 6 is 96. 96 6 plus that is equal to 1008. Okay. 1000 LCM is equal to 1008. Okay. I am explaining once again. So 48 you have to write the prime number, 56 and 72. Then you have to first you have to pick up which are common here. So 2 is common, 3 2's are common, 1 2 3. So I have to select only one time. Next here 3 2's, here 1 you have to, I am selecting only one over. Extra 1 3. In this 3 is extra, in this 7 is extra, in this 2 extra. So remaining all are you have to write. Then you have to multiple. You are getting 1008. This is for prime factorization method. Okay, understand? Next problem we are going. Problem. Find LCM by division method. So same like that one, but you have to find factorization by division method. So 45, 99, 132, 165. So this is divisible by 3 is very easy. So 3 15 ja, next 33 ja, 3 4 ja 12, 3 4 ja 12. Again I am taking 3 5 are 15, 3 5 are 15. Okay, right. Next again, if possible, I am taking 11, so it divides easily every number. I am taking 11, so 15 as it is. 11 3 is 33, 11 4 is 54, 11 4 is 44, 11 5 is 55. Next again I am taking for 3, 3 5 is 15, 3 1 is 3, 4 as it is, next to 5 as it is. Next again I am taking 5, 5 1 is 5, 1 as it is, 4 as it is, 5 1 is 5. Next you have to take directive 4, only one number 4, that's why I have to repeat. Remaining are ones, at that time only I have to keep. Okay. Next LCM is equal to 3 into 11 into 3 into 5 into 4. Okay. Next 3 3 is 9, 9 5 is 45, 45 into 44, 3 3 is 9, 5 is 45, that is equal to 4 into 11. Whenever you have to multiply, you are getting 1980. This is our LCM. Therefore LCM of answer, LCM of 45, 99. So here LCM of, where you have to write here only, LCM of 45, 99, 132 plus 165 is how much? 1980. 1980. This is for division method. So remaining problems also same like you only have to go through it. Okay. Thank you, students. Next we are going for the third problem. Find the smallest number which we added to 5 is exactly divisible by 12, 14 and 18. What we have to do? Simple thing. First we have to find LCM of 12, 14 and 18. So this is very important and crucial for competitive exams. I said whenever you are writing banking exams, banking entrance or LIC, any, now central government have and the national common entrance test. At that situations, these types of problems they are asking. So clearly. So first you have to find LCM of 12, 14 and 18. So 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14, 2 9 are 18. Next again 3 I am taking, 3 3 ja, 3 7 ja, sorry 3 2 ja, 3 3 ja. So all are different prime numbers, not same prime number, one not exact. Therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 2 into 7 into 3. Otherwise 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Just I am writing 2 into 2, 1 by 3 into 3 and 7. 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9 into 7. That is equal to 4 into 63. So 63 into 4, 12, 6 4 ja 24, 252. This is LCM. LCM is 252. So what he asking, which number if add 5 that is exactly divisible by 12, 14 and 18. So 252 is divisible by exact 12, 14 and 15. So whenever I have to do subtraction 5 here, 252 minus 5 that is equal to 247. Now if we add 5 to the 247, then that number is exactly divisible by 12, 14 and 18. What he asked to? So we don't know that number. If I am adding 5 to that number, that is exactly divisible by these three numbers. He is asking. That's why first I am finding LCM. This is 252. So what he asked to? So exactly divisible, but we have to doing subtraction, then we are getting 247. If add 5 to the 247, if we add 205, 247, it becomes 252, then it is exactly divisible by 12, 14 and 18. Understand? Next we are going for the fourth problem. Fourth problem. Find the greatest 3-digit number which when divisible by 75, 45 and 60. So again a given conditions, leaves no remainder, 4 is in each case. How we have to find? First we have to find LCM of these three. LCM of 75, solution. LCM of 75, 45 and 60. So first I am taking 5. 5 ones are 5, 15. So 5 nines are 45. 5 ones are 5 12s are. Next 3 I am taking. 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. Next again if take 2. 5 ones are 3s are 2. All are different prime numbers. Stop here. Therefore LCM is equal to 5 into 3 into 5. Sorry, 5 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 2. 5 into 3 into 2, 5 into 3 into 2. First I am writing small number. 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 5 into 5. 2 2 ja 4. 3 3 ja 9 into 5 5 ja 25. Okay, next 9 36 into 25. 36 into 25. So 25 into 36, that is equal to 900 only. Okay, 900. Therefore LCM is 900. So this is the, is it greatest or not? So whenever you had asked greatest or not, first 900. So again you have to multiple. 900 plus 2 ja, 900 2 ja 1800. 900 2 ja 1800. So this is a 4 digit number. What is asking? Greatest 3 digit number. This is 900 only possible. Actually LCM of 75, 45, 60 is 900. 900 is the biggest number in this situation, not all. So largest 3-digit number is a 999, but LCM of these three is the 900 only. So no possibility. So whenever we are divide 45 and 60, so LCM is 90. So no remainder, no leaves remainder. So no leaves remainder is always 0. That is 900 only. Answer is 900. So whenever getting, so next leaves remainder 4 in each case. Leaves remainder 4 in each case. How we are to, so this is 900. Understand? Now, so I am explaining how we are to. That is equal to, if I have take 900, so leaves remainder 4 means just you have to 4, that is answer is 904. So first I have to divide with 60. 61 ja 60. 0, 3 and 4. 65 ja 300. 4. So what is leaves remainder 4 in each case. That's why whenever you asking remainder, just you have to add that number. If I ask 4, that's why I add 4. 5 means 5. 10 is asked, 10 only have to add. That is equal to 904 is answer for 4 in each case. That is equal for 904. No remainder means just have to find a LCM. Understand? Is it clear? Next, 5th and 6th problems, just you have to find LCM only. So actually 6th and 7th is there is a confusion. So 6th problem in exam in answers is given 7th problem only. Don't confuse. So 6th problem answer is 13th day. 13th day. So what you have to find LCM and 3 and 4 is equal to 12 you got. Just I am giving hint only. 3 and 4, 12. Actually the two members meet on first day. First, then again meet means LCM of 12 and 13. 12 and 4 is equal to 3 and 4 is equal to 12. Therefore, 1 plus 12 is equal to 13. Therefore, they meet on 13th day. Simple thing. So, this is for exercise 3.4. Okay. So, these are 4 problems. 5 and 6 just simple. Doing LCM you are getting answer. Okay. Thank you students. Thank you for watching my video.